Okay, now we're comparing the population density of these two petri dishes. They give us the population, how many bacteria there are after 1 hour, and the diameter of both petri dishes. So knowing that the population density is equal to the population, how many people, in this case it's how many bacteria, over the area. In this case, it's going to be square millimeters. And then we can compare, determine and state which petri dish has the greater population density. Well, they gave us the diameter of both dish A and dish B, but they didn't give us the area. So we could find the area using that area equals pi r squared, except for dish A, they gave us that the diameter was 51. So how do we get the radius? Divide that by 2, which I already did over here, and got 25.5. So when I'm getting the area, I'm going to put that 25.5 in, square it, and I already got it in my calculator over here, that is 2,042.820 for my area. Then I'm going to get the area for dish B, pi r squared. And again, I took the diameter of dish B, which was 75. And the radius is going to be that divided by 2. And I already got that in the calculator, is 37.5. So I'm going to plug that in for the radius. And then I already did pi r squared for that. And I got that 4,417 number. Then for each of them, I'm going to get the density, the population density, by taking the number of bacteria. For dish A, it's 40,000. Divided by that number, I got 2042.820 ... So in the calculator, that 2,000 number was assigned the B. So I could put 40,000 divided by B, and I get for the population density 19.5807. Did they tell us to round it to anything? No, just determine and state which one has the greater. So I'll leave it like that. Here, the population density. What was the population for dish D? There were 72,000 bacteria divided by that 4,417.864 number, which the calculator gave the value to the letter D. So I'll do 72,000 divided by the letter D and get that the population density is 16.297. So which has a greater population density? Dish A, because this number is bigger than that number, has a greater population density. So in this case, the population, instead of people, were number of bacteria over the square millimeters of the petri dishes. Good?